Hey everybody, this is James with wstrades.com. I want to provide an update here on ticker symbol WBA or Walgreens. Got earnings coming up, showing here January 6th pre-market, looking like a consensus of 1.22 on the earnings per share, or $1.22, and revenue of $32.93 billion. Let's check out some price action here. 15-minute chart. Making some pretty good moves, was in a nice uptrend here and then started to consolidate, lose a little bit of steam. Crazy wick sticking out right there, showing the rejection of that 5250 level for sure. So there's a really hard pump and then it sold off pretty good. It's kind of stuck in a little bit of a range here the last few days on this chart. Let's check out the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame still looking pretty good. I mean, you know, this thing started to consolidate a little bit here, but still trading above the 21-day EMA. So you can see for most of this rip, it did a great job of using the 21-day EMA as a dynamic support level. Dipped a little bit below it here, but then rallied back up above it. So I would definitely keep an eye on that level. Let's look here. So yeah, a little bit of a dip here and then rallying back above, and it's just barely above that level right now. So if you want to trade off of this time frame, I would definitely keep an eye on that 21-day EMA. And if it can bust through this level where we see this insane wick sticking out around 5230 or so, if it can get above that level and close above it, I think it can go back and retest this high here. And if it falls and sells away from this 21-day EMA, I think that would be a good short entry. Check out the daily time frame. So on the daily, kind of stuck within a range for the most part. Since about this point here, July 1st, you have highs here around this 52 level, and it found this low here around 43. So kind of just up and down, kind of chopping within a range. Had a pretty big move down here, but then a big bounce right off of that. So on this time frame, looking at these last two candles, it looks like this thing wants to retrace back down towards this 21-day EMA. You can see the last time it did it, it left a big wick sticking out here. And with the RSI still being, you know, 69.66, pretty much, you know, in the overbought area, it looks like this thing is probably going to retrace and retest this 21-day EMA. So looking at this time frame, that's what I'm expecting. And yeah, we'll kind of see with earnings, if this thing stays afloat above this 21-day EMA before earnings, you know, earnings may be the thing that sends this through that, or, you know, since this thing ripping away from it. So yeah, we'll definitely see what kind of happens there and see if they get a beat or a miss on the earnings on the 6th. So I'll continue to keep you guys updated on ticker symbol WBA or Walgreens. Please like this video. Please also subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. Hit that notification bell. Appreciate you guys for taking the time to watch this. Talk to you.